I should have died that day. The speed, the truck, the silence that followed, it all pointed to one thing. This was the end. But somehow I survived, and I've asked myself 1,000 times, why? Why did I survive that day? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's story is deeply personal and intense, something that changed my life forever. This isn't just a story about a bike accident. It's about fate, fear, and a question that haunts me to this day. Why did I survive that day? Stick with me to the end, because there's a lesson here I believe could save someone's life. It was a Sunday, the kind of perfect morning that makes you want to ride with the wind. I was on my motorcycle, cruising down the back roads just outside the city. Helmet on, jacket zipped, engine humming, it felt like freedom. I had taken this road dozens of times. I knew every turn, every pothole. Nothing felt out of place, but something in the air felt different. Looking back, I remember a dog barking like crazy at the corner store I passed. Strange, right? But I didn't think much of it. The sun was just above the horizon, and my favorite playlist was blasting in my earbuds. I was alive. I was in control. I hit a long, open stretch. I sped up, 60, 70, 80 miles an hour. I felt invincible. Then, out of nowhere, I saw it. A massive 18-wheeler pulling out of a side road. He didn't see me. I slammed the brakes. The wheels screeched. The bike wobbled. For a split second, time slowed down. I remember everything. The smell of burning rubber, the scream stuck in my throat, and the cold, cold fear. My body flew. I was airborne. My mind went blank. And then, darkness. I opened my eyes. I was on the ground, helmet cracked, pain screaming through every part of me, but I was alive. My bike was 20 feet away, mangled. The truck had stopped. The driver ran out, white as a ghost. "I didn't see you," he kept saying. "I swear I didn't see you." Paramedics came. People were crowding. But all I could think was, how am I still breathing? I had a broken arm, 3 fractured ribs, and a concussion. But no internal bleeding, no spinal damage. The doctor said, "You're lucky." The police said, "It's a miracle." But I didn't feel lucky. I felt haunted. For weeks, I couldn't sleep. I kept replaying that moment. What if I had left the house 5 seconds earlier? What if the truck had been moving faster? What if I hadn't worn my helmet? I had so many what-ifs. But only one truth. I survived. Why did I survive that day? Was it chance? Was it fate? Was it because I wore a helmet? Or something bigger? Something beyond what we can understand? I don't have the answer. But I do know this. That day changed me. I stopped taking things for granted. I learned to slow down. I learned to see the little warnings around me. And I learned to respect life, not just mine, but everyone else's on the road. If you ride a motorcycle or even drive a car, listen to me. Wear your gear. Follow the rules. Don't trust that others will see you. Make sure they can't ignore you. Because sometimes all it takes is 1 second for everything to end. And if you're lucky, if you're really lucky, you might just wake up and wonder, why did I survive that day? Stay safe out there. See you in the next story.